Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. Gonna do a quick video today on a tip that was given to us by one of our viewers. Wesley Hitt of OmegaRifles.com contacted us about a magnetic stirrer that he had, I guess, figured out would work really well with Cerakote. So I've seen these before, but I had never made that connection of maybe using these for Cerakote. So what it is, I got it off of Amazon. It was about $49. It's an Apera Instruments Model 801 powerful magnetic stirrer. So that's basically what it is. It's just a little round base that has apparently some kind of magnet in it that when you plug it in, turn it on, it turns the magnet, which in turn spins these little magnets that you drop down in the coating. So I ordered a bunch of these extra so that I could honestly just drop them in the bottle that I use, on a pretty consistent basis, and just leave them in there instead of having to fish them out every single time. So I've got enough to do probably 3/4 of the coating that we have in our fridge. I ordered 30 extra of the little magnets and it ran me about $27. So altogether, this isn't a very expensive piece of shop equipment, but honestly, I've used it for about the last week or so. Instead of sitting there shaking this stuff for the 5 to 10 minutes that Cerakote says you're supposed to shake it in the bottle before you put it in the tube and add a hardener, you just really set it on that base, turn it on, and it just, there you see the little vortex in there. And I'll do some footage on the bench here in a minute to show you what it looks like when it's on. The one, I won't call it a drawback, but one kind of negative thing that I've got to figure out is, for some reason, you've got to either completely unplug it and get the bottle centered where it's supposed to be, that magnet, or kind of reset it every time, turn it off, unplug it, let it kind of stop vibrating, put the bottle on, and then turn it all back on. Sometimes I think what happens is that pill stands up and it's just rotating around standing up, which does nothing for you. You need it laying down to create that vortex. But once you get the sweet spot on that pad, this thing is awesome. I had a project where I was doing several coatings, and what I did is, after the first one was mixed, I went ahead and put the next one on there, and it just stirred and stirred and stirred for 15-20 minutes. So it's a really good deal. I think it's a really good piece of equipment for people. You will not really, maybe you could figure out a way, but I haven't really messed with putting them in the beakers and then having that stir it. So I just do the same thing I've always done, just put the hardener in, stretch a glove over it, and just shake them for a couple of minutes. But having this to stir the coating before you even start saves me I don't know how much time throughout the day. So anyway, really good project. I'll put a little bit of footage at the end of the video of it, kind of how it works. Just set the tripod up and point it down so that you can see how it actually works. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and see us at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a good day.